Hi friends, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty. Now see the explanations for forensic laboratory exam. Predict the structure of the product formed in the following reaction. So this is the given reaction. Now we should identify the product for this. Say this. These two reactants are treated in presence of acid medium. Then H plus ions are provided by that acid. In this case, pi electrons are shifted in this manner. These pi electrons are shifted to this carbon and negative charge is developed here, positive charge is developed here. You may get a doubt. There is a why can't these pi electrons shifted towards this carbon means already adjacent position, oxygen having two lone pair of electrons. If these pi electrons are shifted to this, repulsive forces are dominating between this negative charge and lone pair of electrons. That's why pi electrons are shifted to this carbon atom. Negative charge is here and positive charge developed here. Now this H plus ion attaches to this carbon. Then we can get this type of ion. Now this ion interacts with this compound, another reactant. In this, OH group is present in the side chain. This oxygen having lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons attaches to this positive charge. Then what happens? We can get this type of ion. Lone pair of electrons are involved in the bond formation with this cyclic structure. Then positive charge is developed on the oxygen atom. Now in the next step, these bonded electrons are shifted to oxygen. It is removed in the form of H plus. Then what is the product? This is the product. So what is the option? Option A is the suitable answer. Okay. Next. A solution containing 20 grams of a substance X per decimeter cube was found to be isotonic with a 4% weight by volume solution of glucose. The molar mass X in gram mole inverse is. Okay, unknown solution mass is given, that is isotonic with 4% weight by volume solution of glucose. Unknown solution molar mass we have to find out. See this, let concentration of unknown solution be C1. So C1 equal to given mass divided by molar mass divided by liter, 1 liter. It is given per decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So this much amount of unknown substance present in 1 liter. So that's why divided by 1. Let concentration of glucose solution be C2. C2 equal to given mass of glucose 4% means 4 grams of glucose present in 100 ml of the solution. Therefore, given mass of glucose 4 divided by molar mass 180 into 1 by 100 into, in the numerator we have to multiply with 1000 because volume is given in milliliter. So this is the concentration of glucose solution. Now condition is unknown solution is isotonic with glucose solution. That means osmotic pressure of unknown solution pi 1 is equal to osmotic pressure of glucose solution pi 2. So pi 1 is the osmotic pressure of unknown solution, pi 2 osmotic pressure of solution of glucose. These two are equal means what is the formula? Pi equal to CRT. We can equalize this one, C1 RT equal to C2 RT. Both sides RT get cancelled because two solutions are present at the same temperature. What is the remaining? C1 equal to C2. Now 20 divided by capital M equal to this one. Then finally we can get molar mass of unknown substance is 90 gram mole inverse. Then what is the option? Option D is the answer for this question. Next. It is very important question. It is related to IIT advanced level. Listen carefully. A solution of hydrochloric acid is electrolyzed in a transport cell using platinum electrodes. The analysis of 20 grams of cathode solution before and after electrolysis gave 0.1775 grams and 0.1598 grams of chloride ion respectively. A silver coulometer connected in series is deposited 0.3234 grams of silver. The transport number of Cl minus ion is, okay, hydrochloric acid is electrolyzed. Then what happens? Before electrolysis, 20 grams of cathode solution gives this much weight of chloride ions. After electrolysis, this much weight of chloride ions. In coulometer is also connected. In that, this much weight of silver deposited. We want transport number. Write down given data. Weight of Cl minus ion in cathode solution before electrolysis. This one, 0.1775 grams. Weight of chloride ion in cathode solution after electrolysis, 0.1598 grams. Therefore, after electrolysis, weight of chloride ion is decreased. Calculate that. Decrease in weight of chloride ion due to electrolysis, that is 0.0177 grams. Now, weight of silver deposited, how much? 0.3234 grams. Now, see this. Number of gram equivalents of Cl minus lost from cathodic compartment. So, weight of chloride ion divided by atomic weight of chloride. How much? 35.5. That is, so number of gram equivalents value of Cl minus ion is 0.000498 gram equivalent of Cl minus. Same manner, we need gram equivalents of silver deposited. Number of gram equivalents of silver deposited in coulometer equal to weight of silver deposited, that is 0.3234 divided by 107.8, that equal to 0.03 gram equivalents of silver. Finally, we want transport number of chloride ion. For this, formula is transport number of chloride ion TCl minus equal to number of gram equivalents of Cl minus lost from cathodic compartment divided by number of gram equivalents of silver deposited in coulometer. So this value is this one, this value is this one. So then we can get transport number of chloride ion 0.166. Then what is the option? Option C is the answer. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.